Beginning of this episode, in this we see that soldier Wang tells Shoji that Yu Hao's bone is too hard to break. The second soldier is not even taking her name and then starts going ahead saying that I will break it, but Wang Shoji stops him. Ice Jade Scorpion Empress is getting very angry and she says that you will tell me to control my body. Why are you not letting me? I will make all of them taste the fun. But Yu Hao stops the Ice Jade Scorpion Empress. Wang Shoji says that only the nails of 81 Dragon Pillar will break its strength. After activating it, 81 peens will enter inside it and start rotating inside. He activates it, which many nails enter inside Yu Hao's body, causing Yu Hao to feel a lot of pain. Skydream Tianming is very angry after seeing this. But Yu Hao is not allowing Ice Jade Scorpion Empress to take any action. Wang Shoji is laughing like a monster looking at Yu Hao. But then the Dean of Ryu Academy comes there, who slaps Wang Shoji and takes him aside. All the soldiers bow before the Dean. Now inside Yu Hao, Ye Lai understands why Yu Hao was stopping him from helping him, because Yu Hao had sensed that some powerful person was coming here. This is a good strategy by Yu Hao. Dean frees Yu Hao and then yells at him that how dare you torture a Ryu Academy student so much. He says sorry to Yu Hao that forgive me, I am here to protect you. I was unable to do so. Wang Shoji, whatever you have done, you will definitely be punished for it. Wang Shoji says, why are you people talking to me like this? I belong to the royal family, you cannot harm me. Now Juzi comes there, behind whom are many soldiers who are equipped with advanced soul guiding weapons. The soldiers standing there earlier start getting scared, and then the Prince of Ryu Empire comes there. The aura of the Crown Prince is very terrifying, and the Crown Prince says our family member has done such a dirty thing. And you soldier has supported Wang Shoji, so you can no longer be saved. Our soldiers cannot interfere in the internal matters of the royal family Ryu Academy. Didn't you know that all the soldiers bow down and apologize to the Crown Prince? Forgive us, we should not have done this. Wang Shoji was so scared that Wang Shoji started sweating. This has ruined the morale of such a big Ryu Academy, so now you will become an example for the rest of the people. He summons a very powerful Grand Soul Land Master, and that powerful Grand Soul Land Master kills those soldiers so badly in one blow. He kills such that his body breaks into more than 1000 pieces. He also kills the remaining soldiers and then throws Wang Shoji's head on the ground. He starts beating her very badly by throwing her on the ground and then flying her in the air, and he is about to kill her when Dean stops him. This is Master Doluo Shadow. Zhu Chen and Dean says that you are seen after a year. You did not tell that you are coming to the city. Your strength has increased a lot. Zhu Chen thanks you for the praise and says that I will meet you some other day. Dean thanks the Crown Prince and then starts carrying Yu Hao. Yu Hao is bleeding from his entire body, so he is immediately made to lie down on the bed. Kaito goes immediately. As soon as he hears about Yu Hao, he comes to see Yu Hao and starts crying. What happened to you? He tells Dean that our teacher has returned to Shrek Academy. So this Ryu Empire of yours is like this with us. Will you behave like this? Will you have this attitude with us exchange students? Says the teacher standing there. How dare you speak out loud? But Dean steps forward and says, forgive me that I could not stop what happened to Yu Hao. I have fired Wang Shoji and we will pay tribute to him for whatever happened. Academy is ready to give compensation. Kaito says that if anything happens to Yu Hao, Shrek Academy will not leave you. Yu Hao says that I am fine, brother. He then thanks Dean for saving him. Dean once again apologizes sincerely to Yu Hao and says that Master Shan Zivan has praised you a lot. You are learning very well. Now you wait to recover and you go to study in Mingde Hall, and where you will get a chance to go to Yu Hao Mingde Hall, and for compensation, more students of Shrek Academy will be able to come here and study. Now the Dean and teachers leave from there. And Kaito asks about Yu Hao's well-being, on which he says that he has healed me well and now there are only a few injuries. Now we will be able to go to Mingde Hall, and this is an advantage for us, and the Dean and teacher are there. They go out and talk among themselves that whatever has happened is very bad and we have to do this now to improve our goodwill, and at night Juzi comes to Yu Hao and Yu Hao is sleeping. And Juzi comes to Yu Hao and starts crying that because of me you have been hurt so much. I have a lot of things that I want to say to you, but there is no use in saying them all because now we are not going to meet. She then remembers how she had called the Crown Prince and taken him there. She had requested the Crown Prince to save Yu Hao. The Crown Prince had agreed to her request, but he had told her that she would then leave the academy. and you will become the leader of an army. Juzi had said that I am just an orphan and how will I handle such a big responsibility, but the crown prince said that you are very intelligent and brave, you have attended many millinery classes and soul guiding tools. I have gained experience, I believe in you, you are absolutely capable of this, and as far as your identity and prestige are concerned, I will marry you, and then you will be called queen in the future. Juzi gets excited after hearing this because Juzi had started liking Yu Hao, but if Juzi will not agree, then the crown prince will not save Yu Hao. She tells the crown prince that I do not deserve you, but the crown prince, he says that it was you who saved me from the attack of my brothers and now I have nothing to do with those relatives. And by the way, I have no interest in the relationship between a boy and a girl, i.e. love, marriage etc. Therefore, our marriage will be a marriage in name only so that people respect you and you can become my real partner. Our goal is that we should not leave this continent. We will end the war and unite this entire continent. The Yu Empire will have an eye on the entire world. And this is our goal. Juzi joins hands with him, thinking this now she is crying near Yu Hao, and then while leaving she just prays that you become a very strong man and I just hope that we never be against each other in battle. And then Yu Hao opens his eyes, i.e. he was awake and Yu Hao heard everything, and after that day Juzi left the academy. And to fulfill his dream, he left. Yu Hao followed Master Shanzivan and reached Mingde Hall. It is a world of its own for soul-guiding tool makers. This is a very luxurious and highly advanced building, and master they take him inside and then take the lift to the main hall, and Yu Hao is shocked to see the beauty of the place. There are soul-guiding tools everywhere. And as if this is a big industry of making soul-guiding tools, here he looks at his table where wonderful and infighting are there. There are tools from every side which he needs, and he starts creating soul-guiding tools for himself from them. Now he is at level 6. But he has arrived, and in Soul Guiding Tools Mastery, he has been promoted to level 6 in just 6 months, and he creates a level 6 soul propeller for himself. And then he starts going out to try them, but then Yu Hao's Eye of Destiny starts hurting very badly. Ye Lai tells Yu Hao that you have received the power of destiny and because of that you will be in danger. You become very alert towards him, and only then he looks around with his spiritual eye. And he sees a time bomb in which only 7 seconds were left. He shouts to everyone that there is a bomb here. There the bomb explodes immediately. Now there is not just one but many bombs, and they explode one by one, and with this episode right here ends.